Hi guys, welcome to the Selenium WebDriver video session. In this session, we will learn how to configure Selenium WebDriver in Eclipse. For that, I have created one post. I am administrator of software testing tutorials and automation blog. Uh, for configure Selenium WebDriver, you need to open this blog and then go to this Selenium WebDriver section. In this section page, you will find one link Selenium WebDriver tutorials part 1. Okay, click on it. So it will take you to a list of the tutorial links. Under WebDriver installation configuration tutorials, you will find link on second number, download and install Selenium WebDriver with Eclipse. Click on it. So it will take you to uh, steps, different steps to configure Selenium WebDriver with Eclipse. Okay, so if you are new with Selenium WebDriver, then uh, first of all you need to configure your Eclipse and your system to create and run WebDriver test cases. I have described here different steps how to configure Selenium WebDriver in your Windows system. Okay, so first step is download and install Java in your system. If it is not installed in your system, Java development kit, then you need to install it in your system. So if it is not installed, then click on this link. It will take you to Java development kit download page. On this page, you will find a link at the top of the page. Click on this download link. It will take you to Java download page. Based on your operating system, they are providing different exe files. So if you are using Windows 32-bit system, then you need to click on this link, and if you are using Windows 64-bit system, then you need to click on this link. Okay, if you are using any other system like Linux OS or Mac OS, then you need to download related link. Okay, so I am using Windows 32-bit system, so I am clicking on this link. Okay, so before that you need to accept the license agreement of Java. Okay, so click on this radio button and then click over here. Okay, for Windows 32-bit system, click over here. I am clicking over here and you can see it has started downloading Java development kit exe file. Okay, I have already installed JDK in my system, so that I am cancelling this install download. After downloading this exe file, uh, you just need to double click on this exe file and follow the instructions which provides Java installation process. Okay, so it is same like you are installing other softwares. Okay, so after completion of installation, you will find in C drive program files one folder Java. In Java folder, if you it will show your installed Java development kit folder, JRE and JDK 1.0 underscore 31. This is the current version of Java development kit. Okay, so it can be different in future too, because they are releasing newer version frequently. Okay, so this is the way to install Java development kit in your system. Okay, now second step is to download and install Eclipse. There is nothing like installation in Eclipse. You just need to download Eclipse. Okay, For downloading Eclipse, click on this link. It will take you to Eclipse download page. People's using different versions of Eclipse like Eclipse Luna, Eclipse Kepler. I am using both of them. Sometimes I am using Luna, sometimes I am using Kepler. Both are fine to create and execute Selenium WebDriver test cases. Okay, so on this page you will find download links for Eclipse Luna or any other versions. Okay, so I am using 32-bit system, so I will click over here Windows 32-bit. Okay, so it will take me to related download page. Here it will show you different mirror files links to download Eclipse Java Luna SR2 Win32.zip file. Okay, also you will find different links at bottom of the page. If top links not work, then you can use any of these links. Okay, so first of all, try this link and it will give you Java Luna zip folder. Okay, so click when you will click over here, it will start downloading Eclipse. Okay, see here Eclipse Java Luna SR2. This will provide you zip file. Okay, I have already downloaded this Eclipse, so I am cancelling this one. Okay, and it will looks like this. When you get this zip folder, it will looks like this. Then you need to extract that zip folder and you will get a folder like this. Inside that folder you will get Eclipse folder, and in Eclipse folder you will get eclipse.exe. This will we will use this file to open the Eclipse. Okay, so this is the second step to configure Selenium WebDriver in Eclipse. Okay, third step is to download WebDriver jar files. Okay, for downloading jar file, you need to click on this link. Jar files are required to create and run Selenium WebDriver test cases in Eclipse. Okay, so click over on this link. It will take you to Selenium HQ site. Sorry, on this site it will show you download links based on languages. Okay, different languages has different download link. For Java language it has this download link. So current Selenium WebDriver version is 2.45.0. Okay, it can be changed in future. Okay, so click on this link. It will start downloading Selenium WebDriver zip file. Okay, see here it has started Selenium WebDriver downloading. Okay, so I am cancelling this thing because I already downloaded it in my system. Okay, so where I have put it, let me show you in my downloads. Just yesterday I have downloaded it. Okay, so here is the folder. I am copying this folder and paste it over here. Okay, so this is the Selenium WebDriver jar files zip folder. I need to extract it all these files, so I will get folder like this Selenium Java 2.45.0. This version can be changed in future too. Okay, so you will get Selenium 2.45.0 folder inside it, and inside that folder you will get two jar files which we will use in our Eclipse configuration to create and run Selenium WebDriver test cases. Okay, also there will be lib folder, and inside that lib folder there will be many other jar files also. Okay, so all these jar files will be also useful to us. Okay, so what I am doing is I am copying both these files. Sorry, I am cut both these files and put it inside lib folder. Okay, so we can now we have all the files in single location related to WebDriver jar files. Okay, so this was the third step of configuration. Okay, first step was install Java, second step was install Eclipse, and third step was download WebDriver jar files. Okay, now fourth steps is start Eclipse and configure it with Selenium 2. Okay, so as I told you, inside the Eclipse folder you will find Eclipse Luna, eclipse.exe. Okay, so double click on this file. It will show you Eclipse workspace workspace launcher dialog. Here you can set your workspace means where your all WebDriver related files and folders will be stored. Okay, so here my path is e drive, and inside that there is one folder like selenium dash WebDriver, and inside the selenium WebDriver folder there is one another folder WebDriver projects. Let me show you that folder where my all work is e drive, selenium WebDriver, and WebDriver projects. Okay, so all my work will be saved inside this WebDriver projects folder. Okay, here I have selected that same folder. You can also change that folder if you want to save your work in any another drive or another folder. Okay, so you can simply browse it from here and select your required folder. Okay, so I want to save all my work inside this folder on this path, so I am clicking OK. On OK, when you click on OK, it will open Eclipse. Okay, so it will show you Eclipse like this when you first time open Eclipse. Okay, so let me go to back to my blog post. Here we have this step is already performed. Select workspace on Eclipse start. Okay, now we need to create new project in Eclipse. Okay, to write the test case. So all these are the steps to create WebDriver project inside Eclipse first time. Okay, so these are the steps. So here go to the file, new, and project. Okay, inside when you go to this menu file, new project, it will show you new project window. Inside that new project window, expand Java and select Java project. Okay, and click on next button. On next button click, it will ask you to enter project name, whatever project name you uh, wants to keep your project name. Okay, so here I am using project name as I have given over here, test project. Okay, this is the test project. I am giving here same name, test project, and click on finish button. Okay, so if you will expand this bar, then it will show you here is test project is created. Okay, now next step is to create new package. Okay, so let me create new package. Package means package will store bunch of test cases or Java file. We will say test cases file. Okay, so we will create one package. So for that, right click on test project, create, go to new, and other sorry, here select package and give the package name my test pack. Okay, my test pack, and finish. Okay, so it will show you package like this. Now this is the time to create new class. Class means where we will write WebDriver test case. Okay, so I am creating new class with the same name, my test class. So right click on this package, new, and select class. Okay, here give class name my test class, select this public static void main, and click on finish button. Okay, so it will create one class file like this. Here is the package name, here is the class name, here is the main function. Okay, now next step is to add external jar files into Java build path. Okay, so we need to, if you want to use Selenium WebDriver functions, then you need to add all those WebDriver jar files which we have downloaded uh, over here. We need to add all those jar files under our project's build path. Okay, for adding all those files in project's build path, right click on project folder and go to properties. It will show you dialog like this. On this dialog, select Java build path folder and go to libraries tab. Inside that library tab, click on add external jars button. In add external jars buttons, select the jar files which you have downloaded. Okay, so select this Selenium WebDriver, go to that path and go to lib folder and select all the jar files. Okay, I am selecting all these jar files and click on open button. So all those jar files will be added over here. Now click on OK button. Okay, so you can see all the jar files will be displayed now under your reference libraries window or here. Okay, like this. So this was the last step. Okay, to configure uh, Selenium WebDriver with Eclipse. So now you are ready to write Selenium WebDriver test case in this Eclipse. Okay, so this is the configuration. This is all about configuration. In next video tutorial, you will see how to create Selenium WebDriver test case in Eclipse. How to create first Selenium WebDriver test case. Okay, so see my next video tutorial to learn how to do it. Okay.